Good morning. Hello everyone, today I've got an unboxing video of my new GoPro Hero 10 Black. I got this because I misplaced my GoPro Hero 9 Black. So yeah, let's take a look around the box before going inside of it. On the front of the box, GoPro 10, and it has GoPro's Hyper Smooth 4.0 technology. Here's a picture of the GoPro itself, and down below you have a bit of specifications regarding the GoPro Hero 10 Black. On the right, it tells you what comes inside the box. On the back, you have the information that says uploads your footage to the cloud while charging with a GoPro subscription, and more information regarding this service down here. And on the left of the box, tells you some features regarding the GoPro Hero 10 Black. And right on the bottom tells you information regarding the GoPro Hero 10 Black itself. So to get into the box, you have to pull this tab right here. Open this up. And get this pouch out. The pouch says GoPro right there, and that's about it for the branding on the pouch. So unzip the pouch, and right on top we have the GoPro itself. Put this aside. Right here we have the USB-A to USB-C cable, the battery, one of the mounts, another one of the mounts, and here we have the screw to use with the mount. Nothing else inside, but right up here we have the paperwork telling you how to use the GoPro for the first time, and you have some stickers right here, and here you will have a book that says have product questions. And yeah, okay, so let's take a look at the GoPro. Okay, so there's the screen on the back, there's the screen on the front, here's the lens itself. On the top we have the record button, on the left we have the power or different mode selection button. We have the mounting points right here, and here we have the battery and memory card slots. Let me just grab the battery. Okay, I don't have my memory card with me right now, but let's just see if we can turn it on without the memory card. Okay, so battery is low, but the camera can be turned on. Okay, so I've already charged the GoPro up for a bit, so let's turn it on to set it up. Okay, so now it's asking for the language, so English. Legal stuff, agree. GPS, turn on to tag your footage with location, speed, altitude and more. Okay, on. GoPro Quick app, I've already have it, so let's see if we can skip this. And continue. Oh. Skip setup. Okay, so the date is yes, it's the American format. 24 hours. It is currently 9:26. So okay. Set manually. Yes. Oh. Thought I just did this, but okay. Date and time updated. New video performance modes. Okay. Right. So that's it for this setup. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing video of my new GoPro Hero 10 Black. Thanks for watching and goodbye.